We can't even see the audience.
वाला लाइट बंद कर दीजिए, ये बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है.
So, first and foremost, I have to tell you guys that you all are extremely fortunate that Jaya had a conversation with me, because anybody who knows Jaya even remotely will
Put
tell
your
you.
mobile down. I can't see, you're flashing it right into my eye.
So anybody who has known Jaya ji even remotely will tell you that it's not very easy to get her. So I think you guys can clap for yourself.
And rectify them. Please stop taking pictures. I hate it because it's right into my eye. आप या तो यहाँ आ जाइए, एकदम मेरे सामने बैठ के फोटो खींचिए. These are basic manners we Indians have to learn. Just because you have a camera, you have a mobile, you have the freedom to take anybody's picture anytime without asking that person. These are basic educations that all colleges and schools and parents at home should teach their children. It's very annoying. I have a freedom to say no to being photographed. I'm trying to chat here, you're sitting right in front of me, clicking right into my eyes. Very bad. I hate indiscipline.
Light change.
I agree.
Wide now.
आप फोटो खींच लीजिए, फिर मैं बात. Finish as much as you want,
उसका उस पे ध्यान.
Tell me when you finish and then I'll.
आग लगती है यार, बाइट मिलने वाली नहीं. दादा दादा excuse me. ओ लाइट दादा लाइट येलो रखना, अपना वाइट रखना, वाइट येलो मत रखना.
Can't see anybody.
अब मैं कुछ बोलने वो चेंज कर.
Can we start?
मुझे कुछ नहीं.
You started wrong. This is one reason why I never ever go to such functions. Because I'm an extremely outspoken person. I say what I see and what I feel. And I think that you children are so young, you're starting out so early in life. The most important thing for you to try and show not how officious you are with your headphones and welcoming, but you have to show how professional you are by organizing it in a simple but a good way. You have to, I mean, basic courtesy is you ask the guest, do you mind if you call the press? Do you mind if the pictures are taken? Or whatever. But you must ask your guests. These are basic. I'm not against the media. I'm not against people taking pictures. But there's time for everything. I'm sorry for sounding like a great grandmother, but that's what I am.
No, and just adding up to what she's saying, because if we are here to educate the youngsters, then I think it is only fair that for somebody of Jayaji's experience would like to say what she feels, and even I am allowed to express. For example, this chair that is given to us. Before you keep a chair ready for your two guests, does anybody sit on that chair and try it out, that how comfortable or uncomfortable it is? Because there are two people who are going to have a conversation. So anyway, now I hope we can continue with our conversation and you are not going to interrupt.
I think, Bhavna, the most, since we have gone off track, maybe any one of you want to stand up and ask something, but I must see your faces because I don't like faceless people.
I think what we can do is that let us see how prepared are you guys for your esteemed guest. You ask questions and in between I will take off and continue with her asking questions.
I think
Correct?
so, yeah.
So I would like somebody from the audience who has a question. And please show us some light. Why are you all hiding in the darkness like this? Is it deliberate?
They are videoing the whole thing. आप ये लाइट्स बंद करके ऑडियंस का लाइट ऑन करिए.
One quick bite.
You come for a college function.
साइड में
अरे हट, उनको बोलना.
जय मैम बोल रही है, आप प्लीज़ इग्नोर आप कुछ